I'm in a 2015 Jeep Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go right down. You should see a lever right here that will pull. If you can hear that pop sound, that was the safety release. And behind here, you should see a little cable that, if it's not attached there, you want to adjust that because that's part of the process. And then up front, it should be loose now. In most vehicles, there's a lever towards the middle. In this case, we're pressing and lifting. So press, lift. Fortunately, it's got these little hydraulics to help hold it up. But this is the mechanism that was keeping it locked. Run into this. That's latched onto here. You can see where that safety release ran into it. But yeah, just make sure there's no debris stuck in here. It's all cleaned up nice. Might need some WD-40 to loosen this up if you have to. Make sure nothing's bent out of place or broken, and your hood's on straight alignment, because if it's all crooked, that could cause issues too. But I hope that's helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.